What's going on, y'all? It's a wonderful day here in New York. It's a 0% chance of rain, and so wait, hold on. 0% chance of rain. Yeah. I'm getting a little fed up with this. It just won't stop and won't let up. I rented a cart because I wanted to go drive around and do a video on this park, and it's a huge park, and so I thought, let's rent a cart today just for one day, and then we'll use that to go around to all the different places. And it's just out of nowhere a bunch of rain. So you know what for today's daily vlog, I'm getting nuts. I'm going all out. Got the waterproof GoPro, and I'm just gonna go play around in the rain.
We're counting on you.
I mean, what do we always say? Life happens, don't let it stop you. Here I go, not letting it stop me. course, it would quit raining right after I go out and get crazy. But as I look up here in the trees, you probably can't see it because the lens is all foggy. Because you've been in the air conditioning and this is out in the fogginess. Mugginess, not fogginess, mugginess. It's probably gonna rain again. I was about to get out of my crazy wet clothes. If you were wondering, I felt like being insane. I felt like being crazy. I felt like not letting the rain stop me. That's exactly what I did. Tanya is a huge fan of the show Mr. Bean. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but I was basically trying to mimic Mr. Bean as I was going around being a goofball. So, hope you enjoyed that comical moment. And now, I don't know, I guess I'll try to take off my wet clothes and think about doing a serious review of this RV resort. Let's see what happens. I will say this, I was 30 minutes too late. They apparently had a dodgeball / water balloon fight out in the big field behind the pool, and I missed it. That would have been cool. That would have been amazing just to go run through that. That would have been a blast. Oh well.